Okay, what I want to do here is I want to repeat what I showed everybody in class Wednesday, which was this is the title bar at the top. It says Book 1. We have all the tabs at the top here. The developer tab, you'll have to add that in, but we'll go into that later on. But these are going to be the important things here. Cut, copy, paste, format painter, the clipboard. As you see here, this is the little launcher thing that we have, so you can get into the actual clipboard. That's the clipboard. And see here we have, you can move, size, or close the clipboard from there. And what I wanted to repeat was that this is, the columns are alphabetized A, B, C, D, etc. And you'll notice that I'm putting the mouse at the top of the column, and you'll notice that the arrow points down, so it's actually selecting the whole column. The other thing is these are the rows, and I'm clicking the actual numbers. The numbers represent the rows. The rows are numeric. The columns are alphabetized so that you have a cross section. So here, this little box is called the name range, or the name box. I'm in cell A1, and here B1, B2, B3. So wherever you are, you can look at the name box and it will tell you what active cell you're in. When you select a cell, that cell becomes active. Now, what I did in class was I pressed 1, pressed enter on my keyboard. Press 2, press enter on the keyboard. I then went back to cell A1, and you'll see that thick white cross has a black shadow underneath it. I'm holding, right now the mouse is simply resting. I'm not holding the mouse down. I'm selecting the mouse. Now I'm holding the button down on the mouse, and I am selecting both A1 and A2. And then you'll see here, every single time you are doing something in a cell, you'll notice in the lower right hand corner there's a black little square. When you move the mouse from the center of the active cell to the side of the top of this little black square, it turns, as you can see, into a thin, skinny black cross. That cross lets you select and copy. And at this point, I'm going to hold the mouse down, I'm going to drag it down, and as you can see, it's going straight down. Now what it did was, I told when I selected 1 and 2, I told the mouse I want to do the fill series. This little thing down here is called the fill series, and that's what it was doing. It was doing a series of numbers. Anytime you put in, okay, I'm putting in 2, press enter. I'm putting in 4, press enter. I'm holding the mouse down, and again, you move it over until the thick white cross becomes a skinny black cross, and then you hold the mouse down. Again, this is part of the fill series, and you're telling the cells, okay, I'm going to create a fill series. I'm going to give you the 2 numbers that are going to create the fill series. So here, if I say, well, I want to do 1, press enter, 3, press enter, you can almost tell I want to do the fill series, but I want to do the odd numbers, as you can see here. So again, this is what is called the fill series. So this makes it easy for you if you want to type in, if you're creating a list and you have a list of names or a list of items that you want to list. This makes it easier for you to do that. So I'm going to do some more in the next video.